Alright, hope I'm not getting lost now.
We can just go backwards. What do you mean?
Okay. I'm not quite familiar with these woods, so.
I'm familiar with it, not really, kind of, not really. Where's the pond? Like a pond thing.
We're uphill, we're meant to be careful because we're going downhill, so.
And then there's like a little hut thing somewhere.
Sorry?
There's a hut thing somewhere. Is the only hut thing? Is the only hut thing? No?
I think we're meant to be downhill, Tia.
But I really remember this way.
Do you? You're very certain. Alright.
Even though we're kind of nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure.
Now we're going downhill.
Alright, we're going downhill now, so hopefully we're in Bishop Wood. Don't go too fast. Come this way.
Now we're going uphill again.
Are we? I think we're going the wrong way, if you ask me.
Huh?
We should have gone the other way we saw earlier on.
I told you.
What? No, you said this is the right way to come. Come on.
No.
Yeah, you said you came with school and you were actually certain
Yeah, I remember
of it.
I go this way.
Careful.
This place I don't want to go.
Alright, so that's alright, come on, let's go.
Mom!
Come on. Oh. Alright, come on. Don't go too fast, okay? Okay. Yeah, you can go. So, definitely the way to the beach. We're not lost after all. Alright.
I knew it all.
Did you? Alright, come on, let's go.
That's dead.
Yeah, that's then there. Ah, that's like, ooh, that's really bright. Come on, let's go.
Oh yeah, there's a pond.
And indigo, I'll hold it gently.
So we have beach. That's our local beach. Every Friday. I come to dip here every morning. No, every two to three times a week. I come in the morning for a dip. So it's an absolute beauty and actually blessed to have this just on our doorstep. And we just that sometimes we don't really get the weather, but when we get the weather, it's an absolute gem. You see all that? This is called the Caswell Beach. And there they are having fun. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good to have them outside like this instead of being stuck indoors with devices.
Even though we're kinda nervous, together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know, this love is awesome.
It's a beautiful beach, really. This is just one of several beaches we have. So I'm sure I'll be doing other videos showing you some of the beaches when I visit them. So anyway, bye for now. Okay.